Welcome aboard one of the most formidable vessels in the United States Navy, the aircraft carrier. Life at sea can be incredibly demanding, both physically and mentally. But in between the rigorous schedules and intense operations, sailors find ways to unwind and enjoy their downtime in some truly unique ways. Whether it's grabbing a coffee at the onboard Starbucks, shooting hoops on the flight deck, enjoying a fresh haircut at the barbershop, or even practicing their golf swing with the ocean as a backdrop, there's no shortage of activities to keep morale high. From picnics under the open sky to concerts and music that bring everyone together, life on a carrier offers more than just duty. It offers a community, comfort, and plenty of ways to relax. Imagine being thousands of miles from shore, surrounded by nothing but the open ocean, and still being able to enjoy your favorite cup of coffee. That's the reality on many U.S. aircraft carriers, thanks to the onboard Starbucks coffee shop. This isn't just any coffee spot, it's a haven where sailors can grab their favorite lattes, cappuccinos, or just a simple, satisfying cup of black coffee. For many, this daily ritual is more than just about caffeine. It's a slice of normalcy, a connection to home, and a moment of peace amid the hustle and bustle of ship life. The familiar scent of freshly brewed coffee drifting through the corridors is enough to lift spirits and boost morale. The Starbucks on board isn't just a place to grab a drink. It's a social hub where sailors gather, share stories, and recharge before heading back to their duties. Whether it's an early morning boost or a late night pick-me-up, this coffee shop plays a significant role in daily life on the carrier. When you're on a months-long deployment, having access to a well-stocked convenience store is a true luxury. The store on an aircraft carrier is packed with all the essentials, and then some. You'll find a wide variety of snacks, from classic chips and candy bars to healthier options like granola and trail mix. But it's not just about snacks. This store also carries personal care items like toiletries, shaving cream, and even perfumes, ensuring that sailors can take care of themselves just as they would at home. The convenience store is also a great place to pick up some drinks, whether you're craving a soda, a sports drink, or even an energy boost to keep you going through those long shifts. It's the little things that make a big difference, and being able to grab a favorite snack or a much-needed item can really improve the quality of life on board. Plus, it's another place where sailors can interact, share recommendations, and feel a sense of community. Even when you're far from shore, looking sharp is still a priority. That's where the barbershop and hair salon come into play. The ship's barbers and stylists are highly skilled at their craft, ensuring that every sailor stays within regulation while also looking their best. Whether it's a quick trim, a fresh haircut, or a close shave, this is where sailors go to maintain their grooming standards. But the barbershop is more than just a place for haircuts. It's a space where sailors can relax, chat, and take a break from the daily grind. The familiar buzz of the clippers, the scent of aftershave, and the friendly banter all contribute to a sense of normalcy. In a way, it's a comforting ritual, a reminder that even in the middle of the ocean, some things remain the same. Taking care of personal appearance not only boosts confidence, but also contributes to overall morale and discipline on board. Staying fit and healthy is crucial, especially in the demanding environment of an aircraft carrier. The onboard gym is a fully equipped facility that allows sailors to maintain their physical readiness no matter what time of day it is. The gym is stocked with everything from free weights and resistance machines to treadmills and stationary bikes. There are also opportunities for group fitness classes such as yoga, spin, and high-intensity interval training, which offer a chance to exercise with shipmates. The gym is more than just a place to work out. It's a vital part of life on board. Physical fitness helps sailors manage stress, improve mental health, and stay ready for the challenges that come with their roles. It's a place where they can push their limits, whether they're lifting weights, running a few miles, or participating in a friendly competition with their peers. For many, the gym is a sanctuary, a place to focus solely on personal growth and well-being amid the controlled chaos of life at sea. Now, let's switch gears to something a bit unexpected: golf on the flight deck. While you won't find a full golf course on an aircraft carrier, sailors do get the chance to practice their swing. Using specially designed biodegradable golf balls, they can drive balls off the edge of the flight deck into the open ocean. It's a unique experience, to say the least, standing on the deck, looking out at the endless horizon, and taking a swing. It's a fun, relaxing activity that offers a brief escape and a little taste of home, right in the middle of the sea. If golf isn't your thing, perhaps a game of basketball is more up your alley. The flight deck doubles as a basketball court where sailors can shoot some hoops and engage in friendly matches. Whether it's a quick game of 3-on-3 or just practicing free throws, basketball is a great way to stay active and unwind. The open ocean as a backdrop makes for a truly one-of-a-kind playing experience, and the camaraderie built on the court is just as important as the exercise itself. For those who prefer a more solitary form of exercise, there's the sailor's run, a time-honored tradition on the flight deck. This involves running laps around the deck, and given the size of an aircraft carrier, it's quite the workout. It's a chance for sailors to challenge themselves, to clear their minds, and to push their physical limits. The sailor's run is more than just exercise. It's a moment of personal reflection and achievement, often done alongside shipmates who offer encouragement and support. Music has always been a powerful way to bring people together, and on an aircraft carrier, it's no different. Concerts and musical events on the flight deck are a special treat for the crew. Whether it's a live band made up of talented sailors or a DJ spinning the latest hits, these events provide a much-needed break from the routine. There's something truly magical about gathering under the stars, with the ocean breeze in your hair and listening to live music. It's a reminder of the joys of life, even when you're miles away from home, and a chance to unwind and celebrate with your fellow sailors. Now, let's talk about one of the most beloved traditions on an aircraft carrier, the Steel Beach Picnic. This isn't just any picnic. It's a full-blown celebration that takes place on the flight deck, offering the crew a rare and much-needed break from their duties. The name Steel Beach comes from the fact that the picnic is held on the ship's massive steel flight deck, usually reserved for launching and recovering aircraft. But on this day, it transforms into an outdoor oasis where sailors can relax, have fun, and enjoy some much-deserved downtime. The Steel Beach Picnic is a day-long event filled with various activities. Sailors can participate in games like volleyball, football, and tug-of-war, or they can opt for something more low-key, like playing cards or lounging in a deck chair with a good book. There's often live music or a DJ playing tunes, adding to the festive atmosphere. It's a time for the crew to bond, to laugh, and to take a collective deep breath away from the pressures of their daily responsibilities. But the true highlight of the Steel Beach Picnic is the food. The ship's culinary specialists pull out all the stops, setting up grills right on the deck and serving up a mouth-watering array of dishes. Barbecued ribs, burgers, hot dogs, and chicken are all on the menu, accompanied by sides like potato salad, coleslaw, and baked beans. And let's not forget about dessert. There's always a variety of sweet treats, from ice cream and cookies to cakes and pies. It's a feast fit for the hardworking crew, a moment to savor good food and good company in an unforgettable setting. What makes the Steel Beach Picnic so special is the sense of community it fosters. Sailors come together to share a meal, play games, and simply enjoy each other's company. It's a reminder that despite the challenges and isolation of life at sea, they are part of a close-knit team, a family that supports one another through thick and thin. The memories made during these picnics are cherished long after the deployment ends. Life on an aircraft carrier is demanding, but with all these leisure activities and amenities, sailors have plenty of ways to relax, recharge, and enjoy themselves. Whether it's sipping on a coffee at Starbucks, participating in a steel beach picnic, or simply playing a game of basketball on the flight deck, these experiences help make the carrier feel a little more like home, even when it's far from shore. So, if you were out at sea on an aircraft carrier, which of these activities would you look forward to the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.